Ready to start?
I guess.
Okay. So Markell, how long have you been in the Connections program at Oak Grove?
For about 12 months.
And how do you feel about the program so far?
It's fine.
What makes it fun?
I get all twos usually.
Okay. What are your goals for being successful in school that have been set for you?
Well, getting all twos and keeping it that way.
Okay, so you're trying to get twos.
Yes.
So what are your specific goals for the program? What are things that you're working on to be successful in the class?
Following directions, pride in work, and respecting others.
Okay. Of those three, following directions, pride in your work, and respecting others, which one is the easiest for you to do?
Respecting others, pride in work, and following directions, no.
Okay. So you say respecting others is the easiest. How is that easy?
Because I usually don't talk to other people when they talk to me.
Okay.
Because I don't want to get in trouble for that. I'm respecting my teacher's rules.
Okay. What about the hardest one? Which one's the hardest?
Following directions. That would be the hardest one in my entire life.
So following directions is difficult for you.
Yes.
Have you learned any strategies during this program that help you stay on task and follow directions?
No.
No strategies? So what happens if you're not following directions?
Usually I have to stay in
Okay.
for first recess, sometimes second recess to do my work. Because I usually don't get my work done, like my reading, my writing. I'm still working on that paragraph. And my home writing. What else? My spelling packet, and that's about it. Those would be the hardest that I have not been getting done.
Okay. So when you are not following directions, what is going through your head at that time?
Well, I think about it after I do not follow the direction, and then I get in trouble for it, and my mind's circling around a little orb, like a memory orb, and I'm like, oh, why did I do that?
So your teacher gives you a direction. You're not following directions, but you know you're not following directions.
Yes.
So you know that.
Yes.
So what would be the next step, do you think, in being successful? If you know you're not following directions.
I will follow the next direction, and then the next. Every single other direction that the teacher gives to me, I will complete.
And you tell yourself that?
Yes.
That you're going to do that?
Yes.
Okay. So that sounds like a really good strategy. So when you're not following directions, you're going to say the direction in your head.
Yes, and
you're
in
gonna
my
tell
inside
yourself.
of my little orb, I'm going to repeat that over and over and over again until I actually get the direction.
Yeah. So you tell yourself over and
Yes.
over and over.
It's like a broken record. My mind goes zzz, zzz, zzz,
Okay.
zzz.
So that's a very good strategy that you need to
Yes.
continue doing. So nice
Yes,
job.
I will.
So do you think in the morning when you pick up your card from Mr. D that you could go over your goals and say in your head, today I'm going to follow directions?
Yes, it's going to probably reboot my brain once again after I get up in the morning, even though I'm still sleepy.
Okay, so it'd be a great way to start your day
Yes.
with a great goal for yourself.
Yes.
To say that. Okay, so do you want to look at some of the reports that
Yes.
shows all your progress? So you notice this,
Wow.
do you notice this yellow line right here?
Yes.
Okay, so that's where you should be.
And my
Okay.
bed's my girl.
You are, the last 2 months, you are in green, which means you are above your goal. Okay,
Booyah.
and then look at your behavior. Blue is following directions. What do you notice about following directions?
It's all the way up to 100.
Yeah, almost 100%. What about respect others and pride in
100.
your work? Very.
100 and 100.
So what number does that mean on here if you're getting 100%? What number would you be getting?
That means I'd get
A 0, a 1, or a 2?
2.
A 2. So you're getting lots of 2s, I see.
I'm going.
Yeah, I'm seeing
on
you're doing
twos.
a really
I'm
great.
going. Bam, bam.
Great
Why
job.
do you write those X's? I don't know.
So can I say that I have noticed how much better you have been doing in class?
Yes.
And it really is showing.
Yes.
And your pride in your work, I've noticed in social studies, is you have a lot of pride for what you do. You take your time You're very proud of the things that you turn
Yes,
into.
I
and it's very
am.
noticeable.
I'm very, very proud of what I do.
When you take your card home at night, do you show mom and dad your card?
Sometimes I forget and just hop on the computer.
So the times that you do show mom and dad your card, what type of conversation do you have?
We don't have a conversation. She gets the paper, she signs it, I grab it, and then I put it in my backpack.
Do you talk to mom about how
No.
kind of a day you
My
have?
mom don't like talking to me usually. She don't like talking about these.